You done?
Yeah.
You sure? Hi guys.
Hi.
Anan,
Okay, do it again.
what's wrong with you? Hi guys.
Hi.
Are you not allowed to talk?
Oh.
Okay, are we ready?
Yes.
Hi guys.
Hi. So as you can see, we have the same makeup today. We're matching, and it's because I did her makeup.
Yes, thanks for tuning in. In today's vlog, we are trying my sister's makeup on me. We're not trying to teach you, we're not trying to show you how to do makeup or anything in any way, but it's just a fun for us to try something new. Always used to do my own makeup, so it's just nice to try something different. If you guys want to see how we made this look, please continue watching. Okay, how do we start?
So what I normally like to do is start with my eyebrows, always, so I can shape my face.
Really, I normally don't do my eyebrows until I do my foundation.
Really?
Yeah.
No, I feel like you need a shape to begin with, otherwise when I brush upwards and very lightly.
Okay, you're gonna be here in the background. Aliyah is next to us.
So the next step, we're gonna go with the Benefit Brow Gel. I like this one in particular because it makes your hair very thick, but still looks natural.
I don't like. I mean, I've never used eyebrow gel.
Well, you should, because it makes them thicker, but not in a, you know, looks
Fake
natural, exactly. But what I do is especially focus on the front to give that bushy, but it's still flattering. Okay, next step is, for me, the most important one, concealer. And what I do is target all the areas that I want to bring on some brightness and kind of lift your skin. Because I don't use a lot of foundation. I think this step combined with a little bit of foundation, it makes a big difference on my makeup.
Cookie.
I'm gonna let it sit because I've noticed NARS concealer looks better when you let it sink on the skin. And I'm gonna go with the foundation again, not a lot. We're gonna use the Givenchy.
Yeah, this one is my favorite concealer foundation.
So now we're gonna dab.
You blend everything with the concealer?
Yes, but first I start with the foundation and then I go over with the concealer.
She doesn't agree.
Okay, and now for the tricky areas, I go over again with a smaller brush to target the under eye and...
No tengo aquí.
Tira.
How do you prep your face normally before makeup?
2 oils and then obviously sunscreen. And then, oh, I forgot to do that to you.
I did it.
This.
What?
This.
No.
Forgot.
Nice.
I put it here on my nose. So I forgot to add this on the first step. I normally put this on my...
What is this?
It's the Pore Professional. I'm not a big fan of it, but I think it helps a lot if you do have big pores around your nose. And I just put a little bit and let it dry before I put my foundation and concealer. Okay, now we're gonna... I don't bake, none of that. But I love using this just for like a touch-up. She doesn't have that type of brush.
Yes, I use this one.
Really?
Yeah.
I like to use a flat one so you can pat it. But that's why I have that brush that I wanted to use.
What brush?
Flat one. And then I do this just very lightly because you don't want to be like too obvious. And I let it sit for a bit and then a little bit of T-zone. Okay. So next step is bronze. This is my favorite. Hula. I think this shade, it's very easy to blend and yet it looks very natural. Hold on, I like to use this actually.
Really?
Not a lot of people use it. I don't use it to blend. I just set the bronzer where the areas where I want it to be, and then I blend it. Kind of like a stick, but in powder. Especially if you have oily skin, it's very good. So I do forehead, nose, tip of the nose, and then go very heavily on the cheekbones. Again, you need to go the higher the better, because that's what will give you the lift effect. And then your jawline. Cookie!
Baby, it's okay.
And then I go, I don't know what's this area called. I put, again, same like the cheekbones, and it's gonna do the same. It's gonna lift. So now we blend. Okay, so now we're gonna go with the blush. I love it, I'm obsessed with this one. It's NARS Deep Throat. Can you smile? This will give you that volume in your cheeks and make you look cute and all. Can you smile? And then I put a little bit on the tip of the nose. I'm gonna go with a bigger one and I blend it. I like to mix.
Do you put mascara before actually doing eyelash?
Mascara before doing eyelash.
Do you do mascara before doing eyelid? Like
Always. Because you need to clean the, you know.
Really?
Yeah, I think everyone does it like that.
No.
Yes. So I use Huda Beauty and Benefit. Don't know
What do you want me to do?
mascara on other people.
You want me to do it myself?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Mascara is done. What's next?
That's it. No, I'm joking. We're gonna go again with the Huda Beauty. Not Huda Beauty, sorry, Hula Benefit. The reason again why I like it is because I use it as eyeshadow and it looks very natural.
I do that as well. I use my...
Wow. I'm waiting.
I can't speak. Every time I use the bronzer, I try to use the same one for my eyelids as well.
So which one is it?
This one.
What is
But this one is for, sometimes I use my blush as well on my eye if I want it a bit more, you know, pinkish.
I connect the eyeshadow with the contour that I did on the nose too, because it gives you like a slimmery effect. I extend the eyeshadow so it gives you the effect of open eyes, you know. Again, now that I have this tiny brush, I do the tip because she has a big nose, obviously. Jokes. Sister love.
That's what I use normally to do my nose.
I feel like the smaller the better. Okay, so now to give you a very crease cut, I don't know how they call it, but basically to lift your eyes, I go with a Laura Mercier, and then with a flat brush I make a line like this upwards. Mírame. Okay, so now that we finished the eyeshadow, I'm gonna go with the eyeliner with eyeshadow, and I use a very thin brush. I like to just do in the corner and then extend it a little bit. The eyelashes are quite long. I feel like it's been working.
No, but when I don't have anything, that you can't even see them. It's just weird.
Yeah. This is mi pulso, pero tu ojo is twitching like big time. Stop it. Can you stop? You didn't squeezing your eyes.
No,
I can
I'm
barely-
normal. No?
Relax your eyelid. Relax your eyelid.
It's relaxed.
No, it's not.
I can't.
It's not relaxed. It's not relaxed.
What do you mean to do?
It's
It's closed.
cuando empezaba a hacerlo estaba perfecto. You're sleeping, remember? Oh my god, never.
No?
Yes. Now we're gonna go with the highlighter. I found out this one and it's amazing. It's very cheap, but the results, and it lasts so long. It's like a champagne color, and it's from Revlon. I put it on the tip and then on the eyebrow bone. Cupid, whatever. Cupid.
Cupid.
And the last step. Oh, sorry, I forgot the cheeks. Where is the...
This one.
Oh my god, the way you use the brushes for things is so weird.
I find it perfect for me. It works for my face.
I guess I'm really different.
I find putting mascara before anything weird as well.
It's not. So the last step, lips, very important tool.
So what are you gonna do?
We're gonna use MAC lipstick, Teddy, and Whirl. The thing is that what?
You lifted my lip.
Can I see? Yes, snatch. I hope you guys liked my makeup. I know it's not like top secret steps, but I think I like it because it makes it easy. And yeah,
I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I will see you next time.
bye.
Bye.